Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Simplifying compound fractions looks more complex than it is. Here's an example. 1 plus 1 over x divided by 1 minus 1 over x squared. We're going to find the common denominator and multiply every term, numerator and denominator, by that. In this case, that'll be x squared. Distribute x squared to all the terms. We'll have x squared plus x divided by x squared minus 1. So we already got rid of the nasty compounded fraction part. Now we're just going to try to simplify and factor if we can. In the top, we have a GCF of x. So we'll have x times x plus 1. In the bottom, that's a difference of squares. We can split it into x plus 1 and x minus 1. Cancel out the x plus 1 common factors, and we're left with a simple solution of x over x minus 1. Lots of times you might not have any simplifying or factoring that you can do, and you'll be done in that middle stage. But this example showed you all the work you potentially could have to do.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.